Contemplation means changing the gestalt. Ordinary we look at thoughts, one thought, and another. When you change the gestalt, you look at one interval, another interval, and another. Your emphasis is no longer on the thoughts but on the interval. For example, you are sitting here. I can look at you in two ways, either one person, another person, but my emphasis is on persons. I can count how many people there are, or I can forget about the persons and I can count the gaps between them. How many gaps are there? This is the change of Gestalt. If you count the gaps, you will be surprised. Persons become vague and you don't see them clearly because you are looking into the gaps. You are counting the gaps, standing by the side of the road. Someday just count how many gaps pass by and you will be surprised. You don't see the color of the cars, you don't see the make of the cars, you don't see the drivers and the passengers in the cars, but you do see gaps. One gap gone and another gap gone. You go on counting the gaps. Your gestalt is different. Contemplation is the change of gestalt, not jumping from another one thought to another thought, but jumping from one gap to another gap. Slowly, you become very aware of the gaps, and that is one of the greatest secrets of life because it is through those gaps that you will fall into your own being, into your own center. Perceiving, just perceiving, what in India we call darshan. Seeing brings one to the goal, not going anywhere. You need not go anywhere, just see. Once you start looking into the intervals, into the gaps, you will be able to see who you are, and you are the goal. You are both the source and the goal, the beginning and the end, the alpha and the omega. You contain all that you have ever longed for. You have all that you have ever desired. You need not be a beggar. If you choose to look into the gaps, you will be an emperor. If you continue to look into the thoughts, you will remain a beggar. Perceiving brings one to the goal. Not even a single step has to be taken beyond yourself because God is already within you. God is already the case. It is your innermost core.